Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW G310 GS. BMW's small but mighty adventure bike has had some impressive updates this year, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. So what's new for the 2025 G310 GS? Let's start with the engine. BMW kept the single-cylinder 313cc engine, but it's been refined for smoother performance and better fuel efficiency. Now you're getting around 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque, which is plenty for both city commuting and weekend adventures. The engine still has that signature BMW feel, but it's now even more responsive and balanced. Next up, the design. BMW has given the G310 GS a fresh look, with sharper lines and bold graphics that make it stand out on the road. The bike has a more aggressive front end, with a redesigned headlight and a sleeker fuel tank. It's clear BMW wants this bike to appeal to both adventure riders and those who want a stylish ride for urban use. The G310 GS also comes with upgraded suspension. The front fork has been retuned for better comfort, and the rear suspension now has adjustable preload, which is a great feature for riders who want to fine-tune their ride depending on their load or road conditions. Whether you're hitting some trails or cruising on city streets, this bike is designed to handle it all. BMW also improved the tech package on the G310 GS. You now have a full-color TFT display that's bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. It provides all the essential info like speed, fuel level, and gear position, as well as some additional features like smartphone connectivity. You can even access navigation and call notifications, which adds a whole new layer of convenience to your ride. And let's talk about the ride itself. The G310 GS still delivers that classic GS comfort and stability, even though it's on the smaller side of BMW's adventure lineup. The seat height is relatively low, so it's accessible for shorter riders, and the overall ergonomics make it comfortable for longer journeys. This is a bike you can take on both smooth highways and rougher trails without feeling out of place. Another big point is the braking system. BMW equipped the 2025 G310 GS with ABS as standard, and it's switchable for off-road use. The braking performance is solid, giving you confidence on all terrains, whether you're on asphalt or gravel. So, who is this bike for? The 2025 BMW G310 GS is ideal for those who want an entry-level adventure bike with genuine capabilities. It's also perfect for riders who want a versatile motorcycle that's comfortable enough for daily commutes but adventurous enough for weekend getaways. And with BMW's reputation for durability and quality, you know you're getting a bike that's built to last. Let us know what you think of the 2025 BMW G310 GS in the comments. Would you consider this as your next bike? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this review and want to see more content on the latest bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.